Amazfit T-Rex 2 smartwatch are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. Amazfit T-Rex 2 smartwatch from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. If you want to updated price, another information, be sure check my description below. So, we jump the video and welcome to my YouTube channel All Unique Club. Amazfit T-Rex 2 smartwatch review. Display type 1.3 HD AMOLED display. Resolution 360 x 360. Always on display. Battery life 390 mAh lithium-ion polymer battery. Typical value. Typical usage up to 18 days. Heavy usage up to 9 days. GPS continuous working time up to 40 hours. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.0 BLE. Material, body material, polycarbonate, strap material, silicone rubber, supported app software, Zep App Play Store and App Store, others operating system, RTOS, supported devices, Android 5.0 or iOS 10.0 and above. Charging method, magnetic 2 pins pogo pin. Positioning, GPS plus GLONASS, GPS plus Beidou, GPS plus Galileo. Strap length, 122 mm, long, 78 mm, short. Strap width, 22 mm, dimension, 47.7 x 47.7 x 13.5 mm, weight 59.4 grams.